Hello everyone, it's Giselle from Kids Yoga Stories. Today's yoga tip is all about science yoga. And we had Becca who sent us an email who said, I'm trying to link some yoga with hands-on science. Now I'm particularly excited about this because my dream is to incorporate yoga into every classroom everywhere. So I think this is a really fun way to add the poses of movement into a science class. Now, thinking about what topics you're teaching in science and what would be easy to integrate with yoga poses would be sort of your habitats, your earth sciences, and your life cycles. You know, you can always do garden, space, all those kinds of topics, but those really are the easiest to incorporate with yoga. So for example, a couple years ago, my daughter's class, they had little chicks, and we talked about the life cycle of a chicken through movement, which was really neat. And then during Halloween, we've talked about the life cycle of a pumpkin. And just recently we went to a butterfly place, and we got some caterpillars, and we brought them home and watched them hatch into butterflies. So we talked about the life cycle of a butterfly, which we'll talk about today. So let's look at that. So a life cycle of a butterfly. So if you're going to introduce movement into your science class, think about what topics you're already doing and how that could easily incorporate with movement. So you could start in child's pose, which is like the egg. You could go to a caterpillar, into cobra pose, into the pupa, which is like the hare pose, the emerging butterfly, which is a standing forward bend, and then to the full-on adult butterfly, which is in warrior 3 pose, and you could be flapping your wings. So hopefully that helps. It gives you a little bit of idea how you can incorporate this into your science classes. If you're looking for more ideas, definitely check out our new yoga ideas for science class. We have 20 different ideas with 5 poses in each one that you can just have the poster and have it ready for your classroom. Hopefully that helps. If you have any other suggestions for Becca, please leave us a message or email me. And if you have any questions about kids yoga, please email us. We'd be more than happy to help. We're definitely all in this together.